We begin right here tonight at 5 with the major news out today. The Trump administration saying it will use emergency funds to help keep the SNAP food assistance program running for just a short time.
And that fund, they say, will only cover about half of the households who rely on SNAP to put food on the table.
Now, some 42 million Americans rely on SNAP, 84,000 people right here in Louisville, and 600,000 people in Kentucky receive the benefits. The Trump administration today agreeing to partially fund SNAP that'll impact roughly half of the program's households. It comes at the direction of a federal judge who on Friday ordered the Trump administration to keep the program running through the shutdown by releasing the emergency money.
However, the administration says distribution of that money could take weeks or even months. The gridlock in Congress, meanwhile, continues with Democrats adamant on passing a spending bill that extends health care subsidies, something Republicans say they'll only negotiate after the government is back open.
Well, the partial funding is welcome news for thousands who rely on the SNAP benefits, but families are still feeling the squeeze tonight.
Yeah, especially because health care subsidies are set to expire, which will raise those costs.
WHAS 11's Conroy Deluche is showing us how organizations are trying to fill these gaps. What did you learn today, Conroy?
Well, right now, Doug and Connie, open enrollment is underway for everyone on health care through the Affordable Care Act marketplace. And without those subsidies, as we've said, premiums are set to increase, and that will compound problems many are facing already.
Inside an old sanctuary, a community comes together.
We've actually run out of seating for dinner.
And at St. Vincent de Paul's food pantry,
over the summer we had several thousand pounds less of monthly donations from the USDA.
Ron and Kim, both military veterans now living in transitional housing, say the selection is more limited.
Occasionally there'd be fresh fruit, but now you very seldom see it.
Empty shelves and a full cafeteria, a snapshot of financial reality hitting organizations that serve the needy.
We're serving a lot more but having a lot less to give out, which of course creates a challenge.
And this was before families did not receive their monthly SNAP deposit.
How do I feed my family? Do I have enough food in order to be able to feed my family?
This level of need.
These questions are why Metro United Way is spearheading an effort to fill that funding gap with gift cards. The first application window for SNAP eligible homes was Monday morning.
We actually hit our application limit 15 minutes after it opened this morning. It says a lot of things that we already knew coming into this, which is that a lot of households are food insecure in our community.
All this as people prepare to select their health care plan for 2026.
Yeah, I think benefits are going to change for people.
Dr. Eric Yazel, the Clark County health officer, cautions some may lose access to benefits or services that were previously covered.
We're examining how to fill those gaps as a local health department. Can we assist with screenings? What services do our citizens need that they may have trouble accessing? And again, we'll do all we can to kind of help fill those voids.
Questions that will be answered over time. But as Dr. Yazel pointed out, even the health department's budget has contracted.
If you are a SNAP eligible person or household, or you know someone who is, that application window through Metro United Way for Kroger gift cards did reopen just a few minutes ago. And if you can't get through today, it'll be back open at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Conroy Deluche, WHAS 11 on your side.
Conroy, thank you.